Hello everyone. So currently I am in Toro Verde Adventure Park in Orocovis, Puerto Rico, and we are going to conquer the beast, La Bestia. Actually, El Monstruo. I did La Bestia last time I was here, but El Monstruo is pretty tough. This one right here. We're ziplining this whole view right here. It is the longest zip line in the Americas, so this is gonna be very interesting. Once the longest in the world until 2018, so we gotta definitely check it out. I'm walking up here, got my gear, and hopefully take you guys on the ride. As always, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go check it out. All right, so we are here finally at the top, and we're just ready to go. We have all these daring people here ready to do it.
I've seen better. No, I'm kidding. Ready.
Ready.
Oh god.
And yeah, we're gonna be flying through these mountains. Okay, so we are in this bridge. I'm not holding on though. Pretty shaky. It's a trampoline.
Oh, don't stop.
That's my sister right there. She's scared as fuck.
I'm about to get wrecked with this wire.
Hey guys, are you guys ready?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Es el monstruo. Ahora atrás.
Venga por aquí. Pero en la X y vírate de espalda. Vírate.
Oh.
Done? Recording?
Yeah.
Like doing push-ups.
Oh.
Let go. Alright, big guy. Getting close to the end. They're gonna shake the cable. You're gonna feel this.
Okay.
Once you feel that, you're gonna spray your arms with your palms against the air, right?
Okay.
Sale 3.5 para 4 por verde.
How was it?
That was singing I Believe I Can Fly on the way down. I was like, I believe I can fly.
Yeah, Valerie there got stuck. I had to come rescue her. So there you go, guys.
Oh, I got stuck. You were still there? Yeah, I was there. I was fishing in the air for like ever. And then they had to come get Did you get stuck? Yeah.
Yo,
I was hanging there.
I was like, yo, Valerie's probably here already.
No, you didn't see it.
I'm like, what the heck?
Yeah, he's like, oh, somebody got stuck. I'm like, yeah, that's Valerie. He was like, for real?
You got stuck?
Yeah, I got stuck.
Were
I
you
was like,
freaking out?
no, I started laughing. I was like, this would happen to me. I have to bite my mouth. COVID problems, my only mask. I got stuck. Got stuck though. Like, way over there.
Stand up, Arlene.
How'd you get up there?
You didn't make it?
No, I got stuck in like a platform section, but I didn't go around.
Well, no, they probably don't. Did you get stuck?
Yeah.
I knew you would get stuck, low-key.
That's basically what happened.
I got stuck too. I got stuck.
How was it?
It was amazing. Did you see that lake to the left?
Yeah.
It was a beautiful lake. I bet you no one knows about that. Or then maybe they do, I don't know. I think it's this line that gets stuck.
Adrian!
I made it!
How was it?
It was good. I was on my eyelashes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, the fire ants were there.
And last but not least, Mario.
Yay, babe!
How'd you like it?
Yeah, it was nice.
Great? Good.